Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So this video is super exciting for me as I get to open these products, I don't know, after 3 days of buying. So let me take you to the most affordable and cute store as well as recently opened and well-known store Mr. DIY. You must have heard about Mr. DIY. So Mr. DIY has a large number of outlets throughout India. I went to RD Mall Gurgaon, from where I got not only stationaries but a lot of new and useful products. So let's get started. Before we start, in this video, I'm going to be sharing my honest review on the products which I bought from Mr. DIY and giving you some insights into their quality and affordability. So, if you're looking for budget friendly products which are practical and stylish at the same time, keep watching to see what I bought from Mr. DIY. So the first item which I got was this dustbin. It's a small dustbin, as you can see. It opens up like this, very nice, and have a lot of space inside. I got this for my car, which I got recently. And as it was in pink color, I was just drawn into it. So this was for rupees 200. It is written to 40 rupees, but yeah, in DIY you get like huge discounts too. The next one is this hanging organizer. I love the print which this has. Like, look at those oranges, and there are four pockets. Also, the material is like so sturdy that whatever you will put inside it is going to stay inside only. Okay, so the third item is this one. This is an LED ear cleaner or whatever you call it. This was for rupees 70, and this has two more um, attachments to it so that you can use it according to your own liking. So it was a good buy, and as you can see, I haven't seen something like this, so it was a really nice buy. The next item is this very pretty pink color hot water bottle, and I got this for my periods time when I really need hot water bottle. So it is small, and also let me show you. Okay, so this have this kind of a very, what do you call it, tornado or something. So it will make your skin feel a little more comfort. So yeah, it is small and very cute and in pink color. Now comes to the very useful item. This is a closet freshener in lemon fragrance. This was for rupees 60. There are two, and actually if you just, you can, whenever you open your um closet, it will feel it's going to feel like you are actually having like clean clothes inside. So it was a nice one. Next one are these Q-tips. This was for rupees 67, and nothing to talk about much, but when you see it, there are like two different texture or whatever you call it. So a very good buy. All right, so next one is these hooks. I have used like two of them, as you can see, and I can honestly tell you that this is something which you can buy and never regret. These things are something which are really useful when you live at a home where you cannot use a lot of nails and you just need something to put on. So it's a good buy. This one was for rupees 73, and you get like different two. Let me show you. So there are like two hooks, so you can use both of them. And there is this adhesive sticker which you have to open it like this and then stick it on the wall, but make sure you stick it properly so that you can use it for a longer time. The next one is this toilet gel. As you can see, I have seen it in different Japanese or Korean videos where they like actually use it. So I have actually used this one in lavender fragrance, and it was really nice and useful and long lasting. So it is a good buy, and I am going to definitely buy this again from the same store. So very nice things DIY. Now comes to this one. So most of the products are like something which is really affordable and very useful. This apron I got for school where I work, and I get painted by students a lot, many times. So I was thinking to buy an apron, but in affordable range, which I can buy again if required. So this was for, I think it was for rupees 201, and the actual price of this is 228. But good quality. I have actually used it as in I have worn it, and it's like very nice. Okay, so next one is this one. This is for piece 80, and a very useful buy. You can actually hold it. If you live alone, you're a bachelor, and you have to clean the dishes by yourself. This is a really good buy that you don't get your hands wet while you are washing your dishes. So nice buy. Also, you can actually replace it whenever required. So very nice. Now let's move to the stationery part. So I got this diary, a very cute little diary. I actually got this for Shalom, my husband. This was for rupees 170, and it comes with a pen which is like really useful. You just use it. It's like rolled sheets with dates, and then you use it, put it back inside, and it's so small and portable that you can carry it anywhere, also in your pocket if required, because it is like the size of my hand. Like my hands are very small. So next one is this very cute diary, or you can say a notebook, which says colors like the colors like poets, write down it, lower our heads and looking forward to the future. So this was actually available in different types of nude and very aesthetic shades, so I got one for myself. Next is the sketchbook. Just look at it. Look at the color combinations used and the way this artistic watercolor print is. It just catched my eyes, and I was like, I need to buy it. So the sheets are quite nice, and feels like 250 GSM around sheets, and it's quite thick and nice. For the ones who like to sketch, this one is like perfect for them. Now comes some teacher required stationery. So these are like stamps. You actually stamp it, and you can give the child a nice uh, remark by stamping it. So there is the stamp of very good. There are three. One is nice work, the next one is super, and the last one is very nice, or very good, sorry. So very nice item for teachers, the ones who give remarks on the sketchbooks or art files or notebooks. So nice buy. It saves a lot of time for teachers. Now comes to this. It's a very mermaid feeling kind of color combination of stickers, and it actually shakes. So I loved the sound of it. That's why I got it. This one was for rupees I think it was for rupees 100. Now Next item is this one. This is a packet, open packet sealer, and it really works well. I'm going to definitely show you. And so this is the part where it works, but definitely works wonders for the ones who keeps the things open after eating. Now I'm going to be showing you things which I have used, and you will see it around in my room. For example, this mesh which you can see behind, this mesh net which you can see behind it. I wanted this for so long, and I was searching for this in an affordable range from where, I mean, these things are something which you can actually make with, like, DIY it, but in Amazon it was for like around 500, 600, 700 around, but I got this one for just rupees 260. And just look at it, just look at this, it looks perfect. Just ignore this. I really wanted it, so I got it. Otherwise, if it is not required for you, don't buy it. Next item which I'm going to be showing you is something which you really need in your desk, and it is something which is really affordable, plus you can use it in different ways too. So let's see. This was the item which I really loved, and you can actually remove it and replace it to the other place, or you can actually add into it through these holes. So this is called, I guess, Pegboard or something. It was a very nice buy. It's very sturdy, as you can see. It's not moving, and it's sturdy, and it is actually hanging on adhesive. So I'm quite surprised because my walls usually don't get this adhesive for so long. So I think it is a good buy. I'm going to be using this for a lot longer. And I'm going to be buying one more of this. This was for rupees 198, I guess. One pegboard with the attachments and everything with the adhesive. So perfect buy. You actually, if you look for this on Amazon, it was for rupees 300 or so, 300 400 around. Okay, now we come to the jewelry part. But this actually didn't went well. I really need to tell you this incident, what happened in Mr. DIY. So I got items and I didn't check, like, what is there inside, whether I have bought all the items or not. And when I got home, I was super excited for these earrings, because it, just look at it. It looks like beautiful petals. So I was super excited for this because I was supposed to be wearing it next day. So I was excited. Then I went and I came home. I was checking my bill, and it was there in the bill, but it was not there with the items. Then I was a little bit upset about how can they keep things without, you know, looking at the bill. And also there was one thing which made me feel like, yeah, it might happen, is because that the person who was in the bill counter was not actually keeping my things on the counter. He was just keeping it behind the counter, with from where it was not visible. So I actually had an eye on that, but then I realized it's okay. I'll go back and I'm going to tell them that these items were not there. So I got this back, and they actually gave me time to look for the items which was supposed to be there. So this is the story of these earrings. Plus, there is one more pair which I got, but it was broken and I was supposed to be wearing it today. So I just broke it nicely. So this was the hanging part. So same thing, but in red. Oh, in red color. So this was the top part. Same price, 85 rupees for these earrings. And it was just below this. And it got broke. So I actually used it like this because it was matching my um, outfit today, not this one, the other one in the morning. So that was the story behind these two earrings. Plus, I got one more brooch, like scarf brooch. I'll show you. So the story behind this one. So sorry. Story behind this one is I thought that it was a clip, the clip which you wear on your hero, but this is actually a scarf. Like you put scarf inside it and make it like a brooch or something. So it was also a good buy. This was also for rupees 75. So this also was in that list where I didn't got the materials. Okay, so after reviewing all of these products from Mr. DIY, I strongly recommend it to you. You'll definitely, whenever you will go, you'll definitely get like very useful, affordable, and good quality products. However, there are few items which I feel like lands on expensive side, such as the earrings. It was for rupees 85 and it got broke like in one day. And you can get it from market in a much cheaper price, something like that. So also, if I talk about the bags were quite expensive. I didn't got it because I didn't feel like getting those bags which are not good quality. I recommend everyone to buy good quality bags only. If you go to Max, Pantaloons, or Zara or H&M, you will definitely get like good deals there. And 1400 to 2000, you will get like good nice bags, carry good quality one. However, there are still some items which are like price worthy and provide great value to money. For example, I purchased a humidifier a month ago from the same store. It was not there on my video, but it worked like wonderful. Still use it every day, each and every day. It was like for rupees 350 around or 400. Sorry, 450 or 500 around. But it is like very useful. So it is important to carefully choose the items you buy and consider both quality and price before purchasing. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and thank you so much for watching it. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such exciting content like this one. Also, don't forget to share it with your friends and family so that they also learn about Mr. DIY. Stay tuned for more such amazing videos coming your way soon. Bye bye.